beauties, welcome back to WhatKarenLoves. I know it's been a minute. How you guys doing today? Are you having a great day? I hope you are having a great day. I am. I know that I have not been posting as regularly as I usually used to. Mostly it's because of my schedule. That or technical difficulties. I can't tell you how many times it took me to record this video right now. But anyways, here we are. Welcome. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. I actually had fun doing that one. So today's theme is Valentine's Day because we're on the road to Valentine's Day. Why am I talking like I'm on 2 Cute Credit Exclusives? Anyway, we are literally around the corner for Valentine's Day, and I figured why not have some fun. And I am on the same boat as you. I'm not really looking forward to Valentine's Day, although I'm looking forward to dressing up. Probably gonna work to that day anyway, but I am looking forward to dressing up, looking cute, and all that type of stuff. I'm having a contact issue. Okay, sorry. I had an eyelash on my contact. Okay, anyways. So, I already got my foundation on and all that type of stuff because it's been a minute since I've done a full face. Not gonna lie. Alright, so I thought we'd do the Nikki tutorial spotlight today because it's cute and colorful and it has lots of colors in it, so why not? Alright, so let's get on to it. My brushes are dirty, not gonna lie. I need to clean them again, so here we are. Alright, so let's get started, shall we? Alright, so how's everyone doing today? Let's catch up. Are you having a great day? I would say I am. It's been an okay day, I guess. Ooh, what color should we do? Let's do Nikki. Is that what I said? Yeah. Or no, yeah. No, I said Nikki. Yeah, I think that's how you say it. We're going to do the red one. So, because you can't have Valentine's Day without some red, you know, right? Hopefully the lighting is okay in here because literally it is so dark outside. I just want to dance on you. Sorry, I have a song in my head. I don't even know if it's a song, but it's catchy though. Oh my gosh, I can't see anything because the lighting is horrible. Trying to rub it because every time I rub the red one, it just like wants to blend in. Okay. I mean, I think I'm pretty nice, but yeah. Okay, I think it looks pretty good. Alright, now we gotta do it for the other eye. I don't know how everyone else does their makeup, like for real, for real. I just want to. We get copyrighted by that song right now. It probably is a song. Okay. And we're gonna put another layer on the other one because why not? Okay. just run. I can't see. Flip that. It's like horrible. Oh, I'm so sorry. I think it looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Okay. Okay. So next we're gonna do is we're gonna add some color. Some color. And I feel like Pride would go together too, some red. I like how the other eye got like a bunch of glitter on it and this one didn't. Ooh, it's so sparkly. If anything, it'll blend in this red, you know what I'm saying? Some hopes it's okay. I think it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, girl. Alright, next we're gonna go in with, gotta make sure it's still recording because you know how this dang camera can be. Okay. Next we're gonna go in with the tutorials one, some gold. Some gold and put it close together. Oh, click the wrong one. Shoot. May have some purple in there, but it's okay. Okay. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. Next, we're gonna go in with what other color? What's this one? Let's do Roxy Cannon. That looks pretty. I can get it, huh? Do another dab of it because it's not really get the whole thing. Sorry. Ooh, it's like all sparkly. I don't like it. I'm gonna. Yeah, look right here. Can't see. Alright. Okay, alright. Now that's it for the eye look. I think it looks warm, sparkly, cute. Perfect. Next we're going to go in with that are handy dandy mascara that has literally everything on it, because my powder currently is leaking out. So, alright. That, alright. Get the topic on, jeez. That glitter is literally everywhere on right now. Alright, so next we're gonna do some highlight. Actually, I should do this first. Let's do some blush, shall we? Get the top out. Maybe any blush. I'm gonna move it into my lip, which I did not want to do that. I should have the other one to do. And just a little bit more, because why not? Make sure we have some. Okay. So is this side that is good, and then the other side is just like, nope, not today. Not gonna be cool. Okay. Alright, next we're gonna go in with, sorry, my nose is itchy. Aha, some highlight. She's still recording. Okay, cool. I just wanna dance on you. Seriously, is that a song? Cause it's like really messing with me. I don't know what the heck it is. It's been really bad for the last few weeks. It's driving me nuts. Yo, what do you mean by that? It other places than where I want it to be. A little bit more because I like the extra. Okay. Okay, start great. Okay. Alright, you guys. Oh my god, I live. I don't know why he's crying. But anyways, that's all I have you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Anyways, that's all I have you guys today. I'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, I hope you guys have a good day. I just repeated that. Anyways, happy Valentine's Day. Check out the blog down below, industry below, and comment down below what you'd like to see soon. And I'll see you guys soon on the next one. That's all. XOXO. Bye.